Hi friends, I want to show you this bag. This bag is special for gym or yoga. As you can see, this bag has so many places where you can put your things inside. Have this strap that is large and you can adjust it as you need, or you can use the short straps that right here. I love this bag because you can put here your water in this special bag for that, and you can put your clothes or all your accessories for gym or any activity you wanna do. As you can see, the size is perfect for all the things you need. Have this bag with a zipper, and you can put your accessories there too, or your important things that you need to keep close. And this bag is perfect because have this other bag, this part where you can put your shoes inside, so you can carry your shoes and anything you need to go to the gym, yoga, or anything outside activity. This bag is perfect to travel into because have this part that you can use to put on your suitcase, and you can carry with it so easy. So if you need a bag to your sports or for traveling, I highly recommend this bag. See you.